For when I want them done, doing my own lashes have become a big part of my self-care. Those are some prices from some previous lash appointments I've had, and those are my eyes and how they would look like days later. Professional lash glue can be pretty harsh on the eyes, especially if you have sensitive ones like me, but not only am I saving money, girl math, my eyes are thanking me also because they're not red, puffy, or irritated. Hey y'all, we're gonna get right into this video. This is the brand that I use. It has very clear instructions on how you could do this, but I promise you this video is more simpler than the instructions. All of the tools that I'm showing you, like those tweezers, this bond and seal glue, can all be sold separately, and it can get pretty pricey when you're literally buying them individually. But they do have a kit that you can buy that comes with the tweezers, the glue, and some lashes that will run you a little under $20. But because I still have this from a previous set, the glue lasts for a little while, y'all. I didn't have to buy none of that, and I only bought a fresh set of lashes, which was $7.99. Once I applied the bond, it's similar to how you would apply mascara. You're just gonna put that bond on. The lashes that I'm using are the 3D curl. It's the full glam look. They do have a more dramatic look, so if you're looking for more bold, you can literally get the bold ones, or you can just double up your lashes. And y'all know I gotta come with a disclaimer. I am not a lash tech. I'm not a lash professional. This is what I do for me. It works for me. I have no issues. My lash don't fall out. My eyes aren't irritated, and this works for me. And I know clusters have been frowned upon, but I think the problem is people aren't applying them how they should. This should not be on your waterline or your lash line. It should be on the lashes. My lashes last me almost over a week, 2 weeks if I don't sleep on my face, but I have a tendency to sleep on the side of my face. But it does what it needs to do. This is a clip showing y'all how my eyes look when I get them done. They be so red, y'all. Yes, they be so pretty, but I just know if I keep doing that, that's not healthy on my eyes to be that puffy, to be that red. So this is my way to avoid that. I get no puffiness, no redness when I do this method for myself. Every now and then you still gonna see like a little tear drop because I have sensitive eyes. I'm literally manipulating my lash line, but I have no issues doing this method whatsoever, and my pockets are thanking me because I can do other stuff with the money. And shout out to the people who do get their lashes done. You know, it's all love, no hate, because I was definitely one regularly getting my lashes done. But as I started to see that my eyes could not take how harsh the glue was, I had to find a solution to still be able to bat my eyes and not have my eyes looking and feeling like crap. Also, shout out to my most recent lash tech. She's actually the one who told me that I may actually be allergic to one of the most active ingredients in lash glues. She told me to look into sensitive eye glues whenever I'm going to a lash professional to see if they offer that service. But yeah, if it wasn't for her just giving me a different perspective, I probably would have just stopped wearing lashes altogether. But you do what you think is best for you. And if lashes make you happy, get your lashes done. If you don't prefer lashes, don't get your lashes done. Once you have the lashes to your desired look, you're going to go ahead and open the seal part of that bond and seal, and you're going to apply it to make sure everything's locked in place. Look at me batting my eyes. She's back. She's ready. It only took me $10, and I'm very happy with the results. Do you get your lashes done? Have you ever done your own lashes? Comment down below and let me know your experiences. I would love to hear from you all and chat it up. These are the lashes that I had left. It did not take me a full pack of these lashes to do this look, so I'm very excited for how it came out. And yeah. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. That lets me know that you thought it was somewhat helpful. And if you're new, go ahead and subscribe to my channel to come take off with me. I would love for you to join the fam. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.